Hi everyone, I'm Elle with Zips, and this is the Jump-N-Carry 660 Portable Jump Pack. It's heavy duty and powerful with 1700 peak amps, perfect for automotive and fleet services, dealerships, marinas, and more. It has industrial grade clamps for a secure connection and a volt gauge indicator at the top in addition to the battery life status. There is also a DC outlet or a direct current outlet to power 12-volt accessories. To charge between uses, the recommended method is by using AC power, or an alternating current, by connecting the built-in charger to a grounded wall outlet, using a household extension cord. The Jump-N-Carry 660 Portable Jump Starter packs a lot of power for only weighing 18 pounds, and it has a 1-year limited warranty. Buy now at zips.com.